Hey everyone. Self-empowerment is a superpower each of us possesses. Let's explore 5 ways to unlock its potential and create a life that's truly exceptional. Way number 1. Setting healthy boundaries. Learning to say no protects your well-being. Self-empowerment gives you the strength to confidently set those limits. Way 2. Are you following your own dreams or someone else's? Self-empowerment helps you recognize what truly motivates you. Be brave enough to chase your own goals, not just those set by others. Way 3. Pursue those dreams one step at a time. Big achievements start with small actions. Self-empowerment fuels your consistency and helps you see progress. Way 4. Be your own biggest advocate. Speak up for your needs, especially when faced with resistance. Self-empowerment gives you the strength to own your voice. And finally, Way 5. Let's conquer those fears. Self-empowerment helps you face challenges head-on and come out stronger on the other side. Self-empowerment can change your life. Be bold, be brave, and create a life that excites you.